Osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a joint failure. It is a disease in which all the structures of the joints have undergone pathological changes. Pathology: whenever any trauma occurs to the joint, or when if it is exposed to high compressive vulnerable stress, it may cause the stimulation of the macrophages. These macrophages cause the stimulation of TNF and interleukin 6, which in turn stimulate the synovial cells to produce proteases. On the other hand, matrix metalloproteinases MMP1 and MMP13. MMP1 is secreted by the synovial cells and MMP13 is secreted by the articular cartilage. All of these degrade the collagen matrix, including the aggrecan and type 2 collagen, causing the degradation of the articular cartilage. This is the main pathogenesis of osteoarthritis. Therefore, osteoarthritis is characterized by focal loss of hyaline articular cartilage. This hyaline cartilage will be lost. There will be narrowing of the joint spaces like this. No space will be left. Subchondral osteosclerosis. More new bone formation will occur under the cartilage. Then formation of osteophyte at the joint margin like this. Risk factors. The risk factors are aging, obesity, hereditary is a strong predisposition, skeletal dysplasia, developmental dysplasia of the hip, then repetitive loading in farmers, miners and athletes, and last of all, trauma. Sites. Osteoarthritis usually affects the large joints and it is asymmetrical in nature, unlike rheumatoid arthritis, which is symmetrical in nature. Therefore, it involves the hips, knees, proximal interphalangeal and distal interphalangeal joints of the hands, cervical vertebra and lumbar vertebra. Clinical features: there is pain which is mechanical type. It means it increases with work and it is relieved by rest. It is more in the evening. There is functional restriction related to movement and weight bearing. Then there are Haberden's nodes present in distal interphalangeal joints. It is most common. Another one is Bouchard's nodes present in the proximal interphalangeal joints. This commonly occur in severe osteoarthritis. Investigations we do is an plain X-ray of the affected joint, CBC, ESR and CRP, which we may find raised in some cases, and the most important is X-ray of the affected joint, where we can find the osteophytes, we can find the osteosclerosis, and we can find the joint space narrowing. Treatment is usually we advise the patient for weight loss, exercise. Analgesics are given in acute case to reduce the pain. Topical NSAIDs are safer, they can be used, and intra-articular injections of glucocorticoids are given in symptomatic cases, and total joint replacement surgery is done when the patient's lifestyle has been hampered due to the deformity.